Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is a tutorial of this sunset cut crease. I don't know why I've never done this before because it's actually super easy and looks really effective. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to let me know. And other than that, let's get into this tutorial. For my brows, I just used my Unicorn Cosmetics brow gel, and then I used my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 03 just as an eyeshadow base. The palette we're using today is by NYX and it is the Ultimate Brights palette, and we're first going in with this dark purple shade and we're just going to start packing this into the crease. So first you want to pack it in and then blend it in like left and right motions, and we're going across the crease and into the outer corner of the eye. I did go in with quite a lot of product for this to build up that pigment and get the really dark shade that I wanted, but make sure to blend out your edges upwards as well. And then we're going in with these two orange shades and we're taking this on a slightly fluffier brush and blending this into the outer edges of that purple, just making sure that we get the pigment but also blending that out to create a kind of like mix of the two shades, if you like. Once I was happy with the shade of the orange, I then did go back in with the purple just because I felt like I lost that kind of depth to the purple that I wanted. So don't be afraid to keep going back in between your colours, because I definitely did that a lot with this look. And then we're going in with this yellow from the palette and we're going in with an even fluffier brush and blending that out into the orange. Now I did end up taking this right up to my brow. If that's something you're not comfortable with, just start with the purple a bit lower down in your eyelid and then just blend the colours a little bit less and you will not go up as far as I did. But then it's time to cut the crease, and I'm going in again with my concealer and a flat brush. And if you are afraid to do cut creases, just do it in really small motions and let the brush do the work for you. You want a brush that's kind of curved and that's super flat, and just start packing the concealer onto your lid and kind of drawing that little circular shape across the lid and you'll be fine. Once you're happy with the shape of your cut crease, you just want to set this. I just set mine with some translucent powder, and then we're back to the colours again. So I'm starting it off with the purple on that dense brush again, and we're kind of doing it in motions like you would with an eyeliner, in that kind of like diagonal motion to the outer corner of your eye, and then going in with the orange on the same fluffy brush that we used before, and then into the yellow. Now I then like extended this a little bit more, took the yellow across my eyelid and then added again back in with the orange, back in with the purple, just to really get those colours in the placement where I wanted them. Time for eyeliner. I chose to go with black, and if you know me, I like a big wing. If you don't want to do it this dramatic, you don't have to, but the eyeliner I was using is from NYX and it is the Epic Wear one in the shade black. At this point, I felt like the cut crease was just missing a little bit of something, so I went in with the P. Louise base in the shade white, and I just took this on a really flat brush and just kind of did like a little line in the cut crease, and I feel like this really elevated it. And then it's time for mascara, and I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Miss Baby Roll and giving my lashes a good few coats of those before we go in with some falsies. The lashes today were nothing special. I got them off of Amazon, but let me tell you, these were amazing. This was my first time using them and I would highly recommend. I really loved these lashes. They were so easy to apply. And then my camera didn't record this bit, but I just added some gel liner to my waterline, and this is the gel liner from Maybelline. I love it so much. Then it's time to finish my other eye and do the rest of my base, and then we are back. And now I'm just adding some purple to my waterline on a really dense flat brush, and then taking the orange and blending that out. Just make sure you keep blending, just keep blending with this look, okay? And then taking the yellow and blending that in again. Then the last step is to just apply a coat of mascara to your lower lashes and pop on a lip and you are done. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved to create this. This was probably one of my favourite looks I've ever done. I'm obsessed. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.